get in on the ground floor. This means to become involved with something from the beginning, usually referring to an opportunity that is likely to be successful. This idiom derives from the idea of entering a building at the ground floor level, symbolizing the start of an enterprise. It is commonly used in business and investment context in both British and American English. For example, investors who got in on the ground floor of the tech company are now reaping huge rewards. Or, she was lucky to get in on the ground floor of the new startup